Hey guys, have you been receiving emails from big brand names and companies offering to pay you $1,500 or $2,000? You might be thinking, wow, I'm not even a big YouTuber, but these guys want to work with me and pay me money to promote their product or brand? Well, be careful because it's most likely a scam, and I'm going to show you a couple examples of email offers you may have received just like it. The first red flag is look at their email. If it ends in something like Azet.sk or offilive.com or .biz, yet they claim to represent a well-known brand like GoPro or Sony or Corel, then you know it's a scam. I got one back in the day from Azet.sk, claiming to be from Corel, the company that makes digital editing software like PaintShop Pro. They present to you an offer which might involve you to make a video for them and will pay you X amount, but you have to first click a link, download and install a software or an app onto your PC. As soon as you see any instructions asking you to download and install something on your computer, that is a dead giveaway. Don't do it. That's how they can hack into your computer and steal your information and do a lot of damage to your life. Don't click on any links or download anything or install anything. Here's another offer I got from Azet.sk email, claiming again to be with Corel. Here's one from TikTok with an email ending in .biz. If you reply to their email and say yes, you are interested, they'll write back asking you to click a link and download and install something onto your computer. So don't do it. The most recent one I got was from offilive.com, claiming to be from GoPro and wanting to pay me for a video. Again, the email should at least say it's from something at GoPro.com and not some weird, obscure, unknown email host like Azet.sk or offilive.com. A lot of people have been asking and reporting about this issue on Reddit as well, so you're not the only one. Here's another one I got from so-called Sony Corporation choosing me to promote them and get paid handsomely. And as I was making this video, I got another scam offer impersonating as TikTok, saying I've been approved to get the TikTok badge, and all I need to do is activate it now by clicking on the link. Also look at the email again, and it's from a Gmail account, not official TikTok email. It's a scamathon out there, so watch yourselves. Hide your kids and hide your wife, they gon' find you. So that's it. If you've been receiving these too good to be true offers from big brand name companies thinking you finally made it big with a huge brand sponsor, well, look at their email address and don't click on any links or download and install anything on your PC. If you've got any questions, feel free to comment below. If this helps you out in any way, please leave a like, share, and subscribe to support my channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.